Project Management with Primavera, an advanced scheduling technique. Let's learn how to format the Gantt chart bar in Primavera. So here we can see a simple schedule in which the Gantt chart representation has been shown. Now if you want to see the linkages line, then you can click on this symbol to activate the linkage line. Now to format the bar chart, you can right click and then click on the bar option. Here the predefined formats are available in the Primavera. If you tick mark it, it will be started to be displayed on the main screen. The critical activity is displayed with the red bar and the normal or non-critical activity is displayed by the green bar. You can also display the start milestone, finish milestone, and once we create the baseline schedule, then we can also display the baseline schedule. So all those things or formatting in the Gantt chart bar is done from this option. The another option is bar chart option that you can also explore to make the formatting so that the Primavera become more user friendly. Now one more thing, sometimes with the bar we want to show the label. It could be a duration, it could be the name of the activity. So that can be done by clicking the required detail from here. Right now we have selected the activity name, so it's showing the activity name against each bar. If we go to current bar level and then bar label, we select the label. There are a lot of labels available. We can select various options which are there as per our requirement. Now suppose we also want to show the duration along with the name. So even multiple label can be used. Now here you can click on the add button and you can select the another label which you want to show on the main screen. So now you can see along with the name it's also showing the duration. Now this is the actual duration. If we want to show the planned duration, we need to select the original duration. So now it's showing the original duration. So in this way, the formatting of the Gantt chart can be done by right clicking and then selecting the bar option. All other features and other options available in Primavera can be reviewed and can be used to make the program more effective, more convenient to study. This is how we use project management with Primavera, an advanced scheduling technique, bar chart format.